There he is. What's up, Jack?
Hi.
How we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. So what's going on in mathematics?
We are taking a quadratic equation and putting it into the form for graphing and quadratic functions.
So vertex form?
Yes.
Okay.
Here.
So that's completing the square. I think you and I went over completing the square. I think, I'm not sure.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
It's you
You
can.
excited for spring break?
Yeah.
So checked with mom, and you and I are going to skip a week. I know it's heartbreaking for you. I understand, but you'll get over it. We'll do math again in 2 weeks. It'll be fine.
Okay. Do you want me to screen share and see some problems?
Yeah, go ahead and screen share it like we usually do, and then I'll just copy them onto my
Let me try to
thing.
find which tab it is. This one. Okay. I think this is the right one. Am I showing the textbook?
Yep, you are.
It's just, let me see. Yeah, it's just this question one, and just do all of them here.
Okay. All right, let's do it. And sketch the graph. All right. So all right. Right, each of the following quadratics in the form blah. And sketch the function stating the coordinates of the vertex. You ready to go? Okay, so do you think you're able to do it, or you want to see me do a couple and then go from there?
Just like 1 or 2.
Okay. All right, so we're going to complete the square, right? So okay. My AirPods are sitting in my backpack and they'll connect out of nowhere. It's the weirdest thing. Okay, so we take half of the coefficient of the middle term, half of this guy. So half of 2 is 1. We square it and add it. So 1 squared is 1. So I'm going to add 1. Then I still have the plus 2. But to compensate for adding the 1, I subtract 1. Okay. So now y equals x plus 1 times x plus 1, and that comes from this guy, right? 2 minus 1 is plus 1. And we can write x plus 1 times x plus 1 as x plus 1 quantity squared, can't we? Plus 1. So what is the vertex?
-1 and 1.
Good. And And so then we're gonna sketch this bad boy. Yeah, I'll just put this here. Okay, so I'm just gonna make my own grid because that's how I roll. So I don't know, maybe this. And what, this. There we go. Okay, so we got a vertex at 1, -1, so right here, right?
Mhm.
And so the other easiest thing to do is to do find the y-intercept. How do we find the y-intercept?
Mm.
You remember?
No.
Okay, the y-intercept is on the y-axis, correct?
Mhm.
Okay, so any coordinate on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So we, by letting x equals 0 and solving for y,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So in this case, it would be y equals 0 plus 1 squared plus 1, which would be 1 plus 1 or 2. So it's this guy, right?
Mhm.
And then we have the axis of symmetry that goes through the vertex, right? And you don't have to draw it. I'm just drawing it to show you if this guy is on the parabola, its mirror image is on the parabola as well.
Hmm.
So then we have enough to do a decent sketch, right? We go, "Woo." I missed it. So if I miss it, I just make the point bigger. And then he said, showing the vertex, so we better label it. Oh my God, it's -1, 1. Jack, why did you do that to me? So I have to move this whole thing because you lied to me or something. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it's on the opposite
Yeah. So I'm just going to
of the
move
quadrant.
the whole graph because I can. Watch this. Watch this slick move. What? What? Did he get it wrong? No, he did not. He did not, baby. How's that?
No, it's still.
Slick, huh? Oh, now I got to move it down. I'm acting all
Yeah.
cocky. Oh my God. What kind of tutor do you have, Jack? This is awful. Oh, it's painfully slow, but there she blows. I need to redo the y-intercept a bit. Right, so this is here and here. There we go. Okay, sorry about that. So that would be what, -1, 1. You okay?
Mhm.
Aside from the mess up that you did. Did you see that right away?
Mm-mm.
All right. All right, let's do the second one.
Mm.
Let's see. So y equals x squared minus 4x plus 2. So half of -2 or -4 is -2. Squared is +4 plus the 2 and then minus the 4. X minus 2, x minus 2. So the vertex is at 2, -2. I hope I can get that one right. Y-intercept. Let's see. Y equals, actually, you know what? That was dumb to plug it in here. We have the original equation here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So the y-intercept is just going to be the constant every single time, because when you plug in the zeros, these guys go away, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's always just 2 or whatever this is, right? Here's my vertex. And off we go. Oh my God, I'm off my sketching game today. Something like that. Feeling okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to just try you want to try the other ones on your own? I mean, I'll work through them, but like just sort of working silently. I need to run to the restroom. I'll be right back, Jack. Okay, so just do C and then I'll go over it. Did you get there?
Mm-hmm.
Something like that. Did you get that, Jack?
Yep.
All right, cool. Moving on to D. We doing okay?
Mhm.
All right, cool. D. All right.
Don't give anybody the token because they're gonna cash out. Yes, look for those years they want tokens.
There we go.
Mhm.
You good with that?
Yep.
You finished before me. Stop it. All right, so that was D. I didn't write that here. And on we go. E. Look okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So you seen the hang of this. That's good. You want to finish them all? This is your homework, isn't it? So I guess we should.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice flip of the pencil. I saw that. Well done. I'm not going to flip my electronic pen.
Just like a tab. You write with your like
Yeah.
a tablet. How do you use that for like your drawing on
Oh.
here?
Oh yeah. So I have a this is a Wacom board.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I
Yeah.
know those are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right. Oops.
Давай save process activity. Segundo que segundo estudo because na produto a gente chega nas pessoas isso é motivo da fazer tudo geral. There you go. Chamou e isso
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
All right. G. Do you have a test this week or no test?
No, I don't think so.
Dude, you are halfway to spring break this week, aren't you?
Let me check, but
Oh, hold the phone, Chuck. Here come the fractions. Watch out.
oh yeah.
Watch out. Hold on to your socks. Are you cheating off of me?
No, I'm looking at my agenda to see
Okay.
in this week if we're having the assignment. All right.
Oh no, I don't care. I was just I thought you were. I don't care either way.
Oh, that's what I got.
Look at that little tiny parabola, huh? There we go. All right.
All right.
H.
Equals X. Oh no, more fraction.
What, 3/2? You're afraid of 3/2?
Huh?
You're afraid of -3?
-3/2. I mean, any fraction.
Oh, come on, man. It's just more numbers to have fun with.
Oh, I got that. All right.
Okay, did you get the mirror image one too, correct? Because the y-intercept is 2. So, but it's only 1.5 away from the axis of symmetry, right?
Mm-hmm.
So your mirror image point is 1.5 as well. Just making sure. All right. All right. So I.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta change my scale here though. So what am I gonna do? I need to go all the way down, so I need more real estate. All right, so -5 halves. It's -2.5. This is -11 and 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1/4. So about right there. My y-intercept is at -5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait,
5.
it's -5.
I did it again. I did it again.
This is
I don't know
almost.
what's the matter with you. So here, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2.5. 1, 2. All right. Waiting around for the old man. There we go. Nice.
Mhm.
All right. So do you have any other stuff from the Wyatt man or anything that's coming up?
I guess I could look at what we're doing next because we don't have an assessment, and so I can just get ahead.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right, I'll only try to pull up the homework for next class. Here it is.
I'm excited.
Okay. It is. Oh, it's like blocking. I can't see the. It says quadratic function and X-intercepts. And then this says 1 through 4 is just these problems.
Oh my goodness.
It's a
Okay.
lot.
So this one, what I'm seeing right now, that's the assignment 1 through 4.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it says 1 through 4 all. The
What
thing
a-
is,
He's a horrible person. Just kidding. All right. So, all right. Steady as she goes. Steady. All right. I got it. All right. I think that number 1, I'm going to ask you to do in your head. Just call them out to me.
1, 3, -2, 4.
All right. I'm bored. All right. I think number 2, we're going to call out.
Number 2.
Yeah. Because how do you find a y-intercept? What are you doing? You let what equal what?
Equals to 0.
That's right. You let x equal 0, right?
So it'd be 1 and 2. It'd be -2, right?
Good.
Let's -3.
Good.
Then 2. B2.
Good. You didn't fall for it, did you?
The negative.
Yep. I was getting ready to yell at you. Oh my God.
That one's just 0, I think.
Nice.
And
I was hoping you'd say -3. I was going to yell at you again. You're ruining my fun.
0, 4. Before.
Hmm.
And then -10.
Good. Okay, so how do we find y-intercepts?
Y-intercepts?
Mm-hmm. We were just finding, I'm sorry, how do we find x-intercepts? We were just finding y-intercepts.
Making Y 0.
Yes, and I think that you should be able to look at these and tell me what the x-intercepts are.
So would you read it out like just looking at it?
Hmm. Because you're going to have x minus 1 times x plus 3 equals 0, right?
Y equals 0.
And then you would just solve for x. Let's do the first one.
All right.
So 0 equals x minus 1, x plus 3. This is just like you factored a quadratic, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And then what do you do with each factor?
You subtract. You do opposite be 1, x equals 1, and x equals -3.
Smell what I'm cooking
Mm-hmm.
on this one? So what would b be?
Be negative. Wait, so is it 2 or is it -2?
So my order of operations, let's put a 2 in there.
Hmm.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't gonna get me 0, is it? No, because of the order of operations, the negative doesn't matter out here. I need a 0 inside the parentheses, right? So it's still -2 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
So this would be -2 and 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what about this one?
3 and -7.
Good.
Then do you distribute it first?
Well, I got 3 things, right, Jack? I got 3 times something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does it matter which one of these is 0? In order to when we multiply to end up with 0.
Only the ones in the parentheses.
Correct, right? So you could distribute, but it's just, you don't need to.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be the same result.
Just be like 2 and 5.
Good.
Then that'd be -5 and 5.
-5
-5 and -5.
Yeah, but with just -5.
Oh, you just do -5? Oh,
Yeah.
because that's
Because it's the same thing, right?
yeah.
Unless you want to, like, color in the point like darker or something, right? Yeah.
It would just be 7.
There you go. All right, now the other ones we got to work a little harder.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, let's just do it this way. It'd be easier. Mr. Wyatt. So you got to set it equal to 0. I'm going to see how your factoring game is. All right.
All right.
So you go. I'm going to be quiet. Let's see what happens.
And I'm only 5 minutes away.
All right.
What'd you get?
How do you interpret the order when you're factoring it? So, because I got -2 and 2.
Okay, I'm not sure what you mean by the order.
Or like, would it be 2 and -2?
Oh,
or
it
is
doesn't matter.
2?
It doesn't matter. So x squared minus 4 equals 0, right? You mean the order in which you write these?
Oh yeah, I was thinking that, I don't know why, but I was thinking it was gonna like X. One was X and one was Y. So it doesn't matter.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. So x could equal, we could even just do this, plus or minus 2, right?
Mhm. But how would you? Is there an actual like true answer? Could you test it to find the true correct one, or is it?
Sure. Well, plug it back in.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
They're both correct, aren't they?
Mhm.
Because -2 squared is a +4. So that'll do her.
Mhm. Okay. All right.
Did you get B yet?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I was waiting for you to tell me.
Oh,
I'm not just,
I got +/-3.
you know what? We could have sat here another 20 minutes, Jack.
Mhm.
You got what?
I got +/-3.
Sweet. So those are the easier ones.
Mhm.
Keep going.
Can probably just do it. 6.
You're going to do it in your head? Is that what's going to happen?
That's what I'm trying.
Okay, now you could also do this. Maybe this
I
is how you
got
solved it.
3 and 4. Oh, you can. Oh, I was
Like-
doing C in my head. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just saying that I'm not sure which way you did A and B. If you did it the way I did it in A or in B, either way is fine. You got who and what?
I got 3 and 4.
Good. What about D?
D. It would be. Three and 2. Think. Wait, I didn't fully check myself there. I could have been wrong.
Come on, live a little.
3 and 2. So it'd be 3 and 2, I think.
Yes, good. You have to think about it a little bit, don't you?
All right. I don't know that one.
You got it?
There's no number to.
Oh, I think you are mistaken, sir. 3x minus x squared equals 0, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Do these terms have anything in common?
X. You can take out X. Uh.
Also, don't forget common sense, right? Like we should look at that. We get so trapped in, oh my God, we're factoring, right? We get trapped in not looking and seeing, oh, if I just plugged in 0, it's going to be 0, right? If it's all X's. So be aware of that, okay?
Mhm.
All right. Let me know when you're ready to roll.
For F.
Yep.
All right. Let me do it.
Ooh, this is a little.
-2 and -5. Or could you? Would X have to be something different if it's -X? Or
Well,
would you take
no.
out -1 as a common factor?
Well, there's a couple of ways you can think about this, Jack. So we set it equal to 0, right? So 0 equals -x squared plus 7x minus 10. So you could factor out a -1. I think that's what you just said.
Yeah.
And you have x squared minus 7x plus 10, right? Well, the negative doesn't matter. All I need is one of the factors to be 0. So what? X minus 5, x minus 2, right? The negative doesn't, this is a -1 right here. You good?
Yeah. That's
All
what I
right.
got.
Cool. Cool.
Okay, I'll start doing G.
Yep.
I don't think I can do it.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, it's just 3 and 3.
What's that?
There's 3 and 3. So it'd just be 3.
It would be 3. Okay. Yeah. What did you say you didn't think you could do that? Is that what you
Huh?
said? Did you say you didn't think you could do it?
No,
What did you say?
I'm not sure.
I swear I thought you said I don't think I can do that. And I said, yeah, you can. I am getting too old too fast, Jack.
I think I said, oh, it's just X and X. So
Oh,
it would be
okay.
just 3 and 3. So it'd just be 3. I don't know. Maybe you missed.
Yeah. Okay. That must be it.
All right. This one. It'd be -2 and -2. It'd be -2 for 8.
Okay. Cool.
Is that right for H?
Yep.
-2?
Yep.
All right. And then
And 8.
8? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me think about this. If it's 4, it'd be 2.
No, same. Okay. Wait. 8, 2, 116,
Oh, do you take out 2 as a
2, 8,
I
4,
didn't
4.
take out
Oh.
factors, so it could have been x to the power 2 plus.
Oh my God. I was looking at K. I was looking at K.
Oh,
I was looking at K. Sorry. Yes, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
for I. Let me look at I. All right, I got 2 and 3.
2 and 3 is excellent. Keep going. You're killing it.
All right, -45. All right, I need to. This one down. Oh, I couldn't figure out the factors for a while. So it'd be 3 and -15.
Yes. And did you factor out a 3 before you did the binomial factoring
I
thing?
just did it.
Okay. It'd be easier if you factored out the 3 though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Bonk, bonk.
Two and -8 for K.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, wait, let me see. -16. The factors can be 8 and -2.
Hold on. So did you factor out a negative?
No.
Okay, so this is K, right? So y equals -x² plus 6x plus 16. Yes? So we're going to do -x² minus 6x minus 16. Yes, you're right.
Mhm.
Okay. Good, good. Do you have a brother or sister?
Yeah, I have a sister.
A sister? Is she barking? Is that her?
Can you hear my dog?
Just a little bit.
Oh.
Just a little bit. That's kind of mean if it's a girl. If you had a brother, it would be, we could but you don't want to.
Mhm.
I mean, I know she's your sister, but you shouldn't have said that, Jack. I can't believe you said that.
Mhm.
All right, L.
All right, I'll do L. All right. I could take out -2.
-2, good.
And that'd be 4x. That'd be x power 2 plus 4x.
It's 4x minus 21, right? Yeah,
And
that's
then
going to work out
21
swimmingly, isn't it?
be 7 and -3. So it'd be -7 and 3.
Excellent. Excellent, excellent.
-8.
Ooh, can't factor out a 2. Can't do it.
So it'd be -8.
Good.
And then 1 and 8. So it'd be, yeah, the fact should be 1 and 8. It'd be 8 and -1. So it'd be -8 and 1.
Wait a second. So you're going to have, careful here. So this would be,
You mind if I say hi to her?
I do. Do you know who it is?
Yeah, that's Josh, right?
No, it's Jack.
Oh,
You thought it was Josh? You can still say hi.
What's
This-
up, man?
yeah.
Wait, I'm learning that.
Oh, good for you. Are you in Mr. Wyatt's class?
No, I'm in middle school. I'm learning. I'm not applying that.
Cool. All right. So this would be boom, 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 boom. He thought he knew you.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is 2x and x, right?
Mhm.
And you did what? +4 -1.
Mhm.
Okay, so 2x -1 equals 0. Oh, I should have 0 here, sorry. X plus 4 equals 0. So x would equal 1/2 or x would equal -4.
Mhm.
You jump because of the 2, it's not the, you said 1 and 8, right?
Mhm.
I think, were you trying to split the middle term? Is that what was happening?
Yeah.
Okay, you just forgot to put the 2 back in.
Mhm.
You all right?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Do Y. All right.
Is that what you got? 2/3 and 1?
Yep.
Sweet. All right, Jack, I think we can call it a
Mhm.
day. Nice job. Listen, I want to give you some goals, okay? I think it's important. Actually, just one goal, because it's spring break, right? You're a you're a you're a young man. You got time on your hands. So your goal between now and when we meet 2 weeks from now is to stay out of prison. I need you to stay out of
Mhm.
prison. Can you do that?
I'll try my hardest.
Can
really.
you? Are you sure? I
Uh-huh.
don't want to turn on the news, right? And see you like the walk of shame, like cuffed and stuff. Okay. All right. Cool.
Mhm.
Have a great spring break.
All right.
All right. See ya.